Hi, hope all is well. In today's video, we will learn how to install Python. For this, we have to first download python.exe. So let's move toward Chrome, open new tab here, Python download, enter. You will see the first link, click on it and it's redirect to this. So here is the button. After clicking, it will start downloading. I have already, so I'm skipping this step. Then after it we have to run this, so go to download folder and here it is. So here the prompt, we have to select this, add python 3.10 to both, because if we not select this option then we have to manually add the export of python in environmental variable. So that's why first make sure you have to select this checkbox, then install, then yes, then installation start. So we have to add for this. Once it's done, then our third step will be testing to confirm that it's installed successfully or not. And let's the third step testing. So search cmd, type here python minus capital V, so it will show us the version of python we have installed, and then we can test it also by running python command. So just write python, enter, and here I can show you just print statement of python. So hi, you did it, and you can see it print hi, you did it. It's mean we have successfully installed python. Thanks for watching the video.